Hey guys, greetings. Guess what? I'm back from Cape May, and believe it or not, the Mustang actually made it. Check out these brakes. They got polished to the max. Mirror finish from all that driving. Guess what? I'm working on the Fender again with this OSI. Put a little bit more behind here. I'm going to tell you what the problem is. You guys are going to try this, and they're going to be like, "Ah, man, what are you talking about? This is a freaking mess. I messed my Fender up. The stuff got all over the place." Well, guess what? This takes time, guys. I adhered a sanding disc here, 330 grit. That's what I'm using. That's a good compromise. Someone asked about that actually before. This sticks onto here, onto the stick. Lightly sand this. You smooth out any bumps. Sometimes this stuff bubbles. Okay? You do that, it takes time. Like, you might start it and then wait like a few weeks, then do some more. Keep doing it. Your Fender will come out perfectly. This looked like crap when I first started. Underneath here, I rebuilt like the structure almost, where some of this was rusted out. I put a little strip of sheet metal. I may have showed that if you look in my original videos about this stuff. And then, yeah, guys, oil base. It's got to be oil base. You can't, you don't want something like a powder coat or a latex that's going to like go on the metal and not like adhere to it or soak into it. You know, that's the whole key. And I'm pissed off because I'm going to tell you why this rusted up here. It's because of a damn product Ford used when they coated under this fender. That's why it rusted up, and possibly a water leak. But they put a lot of cars, they put like a powder coat or a thick coat down by the bottom here, and I'm lucky the Mustang isn't all screwed up. It's because I repainted the whole car with Rust-Oleum. But they put a thick coat on there. All that does is trap water. So, yeah, that's where I'm at here.